how to make perfect white rice. First, I start with measuring my white rice. I do about a cup pre-cooked. Per cup of uncooked rice, I use 2 1/4 cups of water. Over high heat, I bring my rice to a boil, leaving uncovered. While bringing your rice to a boil, I add salt. This is to your preference. Once your rice starts to boil, give it another stir, cover it, and turn the heat down to medium-low. That way you don't burn your rice. Once covered, turn on the timer to 20 minutes. But make sure to stir occasionally. I do about every 5 to 10 minutes. Once your rice is finished cooking, just give it another stir just to fluff everything up and then remove it from the heat. You can leave it covered until serving.